In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use resource management in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use board that helps you see who's doing what, when they're doing it, and whether anyone is overloaded. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to your workspace area. Workspaces are your top-level folders that keep teams and projects organized, so choose the one where this new resource board should live. Once you're there, look for the plus icon to add something new. Hover over the option to create a board. Instead of building from scratch, select the choice to start with a template. Templates save time and ensure you get the right structure for resource management without missing key fields. When the Template Center opens, switch to the section showing all templates and then browse the General Templates category. Use the search bar and type the word resource. From the results, select the resource utilization template. This one is designed to track assignments across team members and show workload at a glance. Open it to preview, and when you're ready, click Use Template. Monday.com will generate the board for you and place it inside the workspace you chose. Now it's time to make it yours. Rename the board so it matches your project or team. Review the groups, which often represent time periods or categories, and adjust them to your planning horizon. Weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly works well for most teams. Go through the columns and tailor them to your workflow. Make sure there's a people column to assign the work to specific team members, and confirm you have dates or a timeline column for start and end dates. If the template includes an effort or hours field, align it with the unit your team uses, such as hours or story points, and be consistent across all items. Add or edit items so each row represents a task or deliverable. Assign one owner per item where possible. This keeps workload calculations accurate. Update durations to reflect real schedules and set statuses that match your process, like planned, in progress, or done. If dependencies matter for your team, note them in a text or dependency column provided by the template so shifts in one task are visible to the rest. As you populate the board, you'll see workload insights come to life. Many resource utilization templates include a view that highlights who is over or under capacity. Keep the workspace tidy with clear naming, and consider limiting who can edit structure versus content to protect the setup. Save your changes, and you're ready to manage resources confidently in Monday.com.